Welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Bengaluru North City Corporation organized an awareness and interaction program on community dogs and their management for school students at Mangala Vidya Mandir in Yelahanka on August 24th. The program was organized by the Animal Husbandry Department of the Yelahanka Division on the direction of Pommala Sunil Kumar, Commissioner of the Bengaluru North City Corporation. The program was conducted under the leadership of Dr. Manohar R, Assistant Director, and focused on educating students about community dog behavior, safe interaction with animals, animal birth control, and anti-rabies vaccination. Around 400 students and teachers participated in the program. They interacted with officials and raised questions about community dogs and their management. Students were also made aware of the importance of avoiding unnecessary disturbance to community dogs, understanding their behavior, and informing the concerned authorities if any unusual behavior is observed. As part of the program, awareness handbills and information brochures were distributed to students to promote responsible animal welfare and public safety. The Animal Husbandry Department of the Bengaluru North City Corporation said it will continue organizing awareness programs for students and the public on community dog management, animal birth control, and anti-rabies vaccination.